Alright, good morning folks. I don't want to be up this early. It is 5:40. I woke up out of a REM cycle and I am dragging my butt today, but that's okay. The goal is still to get in here and get some movement done. Today is a core and mobility day, so I'm going to go through my typical warm-up right now, and then we're going to jump in and do some core exercises, and then we'll end with mobility. And mobility is something that's new to me. I haven't done a whole lot with it, so I've been reading a book, Becoming a Supple Leopard, and I'm about 100 pages in, so I got a lot still to digest and comprehend from that. But it's got some 7 exercises, archetypes, I think is how you pronounce it, archetypes, that are the starting and ending positions for the majority of all the movements that you could ever do. And when you do these positions, it highlights areas that you need to improve on. And so I figured that would be a fantastic place to start. It's just kind of, 1, doing those movements, and 2, looking back on them, the video, and seeing where I'm at, what I'm seeing, and how I can improve that, and then diving in further into the book where he discusses how to effectively increase your mobility there and strengthen that area. And so that's the goal for today. But first things first, we got to get warmed up, and that includes my brain, and then get some core exercises and then knock out that mobility, and we'll get there. So good morning. I'm not gonna fall asleep. All right, folks, so for my first core exercise today, we're going to be trying to do bed bugs, which I might not be able to do because I have 2 puppers here, but I have never attempted these before. So essentially, instead of being on my hands and knees, I'm going to be on my back, and I'm going to try and keep this yoga block that I got pinned between my knees and my elbows of the hands, so that my core is staying engaged the entire time, and I have to keep this center, which gives me a focus to point on, and I'm not just moving willy-nilly, and I'm engaging my core, because that's something that I struggle with. How do I engage my core while I'm doing core exercises? Because I'm not as good with my core as I am with other things. So we'll see how it goes with the puppers. They're very excited that I'm sitting on the ground, hence why mobility is such a thing with them. All right, good, choo-choo-doo. Shoo-shoo-shoo. Mama needs your space. She's gonna take my space. All right, no. All right, so we're gonna do a weird sideways thing, and you're not allowed to laugh at me. Hi, guys. Okay, so, no. Okay. Licky, licky. No. Everybody good? Yep. Okay. Hi, Jackson. Hi, dude. I'm just gonna try this. All right. Beep, beep. I need my space. I know. So rude of me. Oh my gosh. How does one do this? Okay. Stop it! Okay, folks. So I booted the dogs out because that was not going to work. This is really hard. I feel like this is just not big enough for me, but we're going to try it because Mama didn't raise no quitter. So the idea is to keep this in contact, knee and elbow at the same time. I don't think I'm going to be able to go like diagonal because that's just a lot. So I might do one side, even though you're supposed to pull opposite. I don't know. We're going to try it out and see. Let's do it. Yeah. All right. Let's start up here. Okay. Yep, I feel that. Okay. Oh. Alright. Other side. I don't know, maybe this is the wrong way, but I feel it. Okay. 3, 4, 5. Oh, I'm dead. Oh, I can feel it in my core. Alright, the second core exercise we're going to try today is, I don't know if I'm actually going to be able to do it, but essentially, you're just up on your tippy toes with your hands and your knees are off the ground and you're just keeping your core really super tight. It's like a static hold type thing. I don't know if I'm going to do it, but we're going to shoot and try, see what happens. So, hands are out. Doing a weird angle so I can kind of like see that. Okay, hands are out. On my toesies. Oh. I feel it in my quads more than my back. So I need to take my butt, my core. Oh, I'm already shaking. All right. We're gonna have to do that in like small sets, so 5-second times. All right. 3, 2, 1, tighten the butt.